Hey friends, at our I Create program, we are answering multiple questions every day regarding WordPress websites. We got a very interesting question yesterday that I am covering in this video. I have reformatted the question in fact. So the question was related to automatic SEO of a WordPress website. I mean, without any effort, how SEO can be done for WordPress website. So question can be read as how to automatically optimize a WordPress website for search engines without SEO knowledge, without regular SEO activities. So I got the solution that I am going to share in this video. Let us take a demo website. This is a demo website that we created in an earlier video, and you can watch the specific video. This is a really wonderful WordPress theme, and it got created. We created this website within 10 minutes using our full site edit WordPress theme. So you can watch the specific video. I'm not going to discuss much about this theme, but yes, we are going to take this example website for an automatic SEO activity. So I'm coming back to the dashboard of this installation. This is a very clean installation. I'm going to add a plugin. I'll show you which plugin I am going to add. But yes, how really it is working for SEO purpose, automatic SEO purpose is the main thing that I am willing to show. So let us add and install the plugin that we are targeting to use for automation of SEO activities for WordPress website. Okay, so we can update these updates. So this theme is really wonderful. So I'm repeating again because it came with a full site edit mode that is with Gutenberg. So you can create awesome website using block editing methods. Yes. So now we have all updated plugins and the demo website as well. Now I'm going to add the said plugin here. Plugin is being installed and now I'm activating the plugin. It got installed in just few seconds. Activating, and I'll show you the onboarding process as well. Magic SEO is the plugin name, so I'm disclosing the name now, and it is really going to work like a magic. So Magic SEO is here and it has been installed in just one simple click. And here we can even configure the Google Analytics code, and we can even enable the performance enhancement, like we can use this plugin for removing the emoji junk and enable the WP mime type. So this is really for enhancing the image quality, I mean the speeding up the image loading times. And we can even use this plugin for removing the query string to increase overall website performance. So this plugin is going to help us in other manner as well, in addition to automate the SEO process. Further, we have some security enhancement, like we can reject request for comment posting coming from a browser and more commonly a bot. So we can protect our spam comments, I mean the spam comments using this method, and that has no reference. Okay, that is fine. Enable HTML source magnification. So this plugin is also going to help us in magnification of HTML sources, which reduces load time and bandwidth uses on your website. So it is totally available. And further, we have to do nothing. SEO is being done. How? So I'll show you the page first of all. Okay, so I'm coming back to the screen again just to read one message. This plugin enables website automatic search engine optimization for your website. It automatically generates titles, description, and meta text directly from your WordPress website content, and also adds open graph data for social media. Additionally, it will generate a search engine friendly XML sitemap that automatically updates your content and provide further options for enhanced performance and security, which can directly affect search engine optimization. So this is the really thing that we are targeting. Now, if we are checking the page, so like this is about us page and that am I have opened in editing mode. So this is Gutenberg's editor, blog based editor. So we have an option here to prevent search engines indexing this content. So this is a simple control, but by default, all the title and the description is being created. Wish to know where? So I will show you the page source. So this is the page source, and if I search for title, the title is here. The title is already included in the meta tags, and even the description about me and all, and even the exif data for search engines, like metadata for search engines, as we found in the description of this plugin. So this is here, and the title description, like here viewport is here, so it is being generated through the plugin. So you'll not find these information when you are not using this plugin. Like I disabled in the plugin, and now I don't have the title and other information. Like I search for title, but no title is here because it is not SEO activities. Activities is not being done. So I just disabled the plugin deactivated, and it stopped working. So it works automatically. We have nothing to do regarding the meta description, title, and other tags. So I enabled again, and now I'll refresh this page just to show you, just to make a reference. So some additional things added here again, and it works automatically. I will again find the title, and definitely we have, earlier it was 27, now it is 29 results. So definitely we have now title, like the about and all, like about is here and all. So it works automatically. SEO, basic SEO, so not an advanced SEO, but basic SEO is being done automatically at WordPress website. So you can use this plugin. And where you can find this plugin? This is Magic SEO. It has been developed by Love Themes. So what, there is only one downside for this plugin. It is not being updated since last year. So I'm not sure why it is uh, not being updated, but this is really a Magic SEO, and it works well still. I love this plugin because for many clients at our iCreate program, we are not receiving a handsome amount for SEO activities, but still we wish to provide them a search engine optimized website. So we are using this plugin for them, where we cannot put much effort, but yes, we wish to do the SEO activities as well. So this is Magic SEO. You can enable this plugin through the video description link at code canyon.net. It costs $50, but it worth taking or spending $50 for this awesome plugin that can actually help your WordPress website to automate SEO for WordPress. Simply install, activate, and done. So you don't need to add additional plugin for security reasons, like you may require. But the things I shown you, again, I'm taking you to the plugin dashboard, like Google Analytics, performance enhancement, security enhancement, and HTML source magnification is additional thing that you can get with the, in addition to default WordPress SEO settings. So all is for you in just $50. Don't skip, just get it and see the effect. And the performance score is 100%, structure is 98%. I'm not sure. Just check, and you can even check the demo. So link is given in the video description. In the next video, I'm coming with more solutions for your WordPress website. Keep watching, keep building, and don't forget to subscribe and press the bell button if you are new to this channel. You are watching WP Themes, that I consider is the biggest YouTube channel for WordPress resource overview, at least for themes and plugins. Keep watching. Let us meet in the next video. Thank you.